Respected teachers, staff, students of the school. The name of the school is Glorious English School, and what a glory it is to be here. So thanks all of you and all respected guests who are sitting here. Today must be a very special day for all of you. Not only because it's a prize distribution day, not because it's an annual function, but because today is a culmination of all your efforts that have gone into producing this day for the past 1 year. Every one of you has worked hard, every one of you has given their best to bring this school to a level which can actually match and surpass the levels of all the schools in big cities, huge schools. I was very happy to come here. In fact, I was a little hesitant to come here because I had a lot of previous engagements, but coming here gave me a lot of confidence that Bahright's future and the students and the kids and the children of this school who will get out of this school with flying colors will make a name for themselves in their school in the time to come. Bahright's as a city, Bahright's as a district, I don't know if you know that, but Bahright's as a district is considered to be one of the most educationally backward districts of UP. In fact, the most backward district is Shravasti. It was a part of Bahright's. So now it is Shravasti, and Bahright's, fortunately or unfortunately, is on the second last position. But then again, considering the fact that Bahright's is supposed to be educationally backward, still Bahright's has produced people who have gone out in the world and made a name for themselves. Bahright's has given IAS officers, IPS officers, doctors who are actually working as top surgeons in top schools in India, engineers, people who are taking care of business, who have done their MBAs from universities around the world. So it's not that Bahright's does not have talent, it does have talent, the only thing is to nurture the talent. So I hope this school is able to nurture the talents of the children who are studying here, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.